Hello everyone, welcome to another review video. Today we're reviewing private internet access or PIA VPN. Now this VPN is, as you can see, #1 most trusted VPN in Croatia. I'm currently from Croatia, but you can get this VPN, as you can see, 3 years plus 3 months for free for only 1.79 euros. Now, this is one thing that I like about this VPN, that it's really cheap and you get 30-day money back guarantee compared to other VPNs. You will not get a VPN this cheap for this deal right here, which is just crazy. As you can see, you can access this wherever you want. You have 84 countries, 122 locations, and 6 continents. I think this is really great if you want to get a VPN that is strong and that can connect to pretty much any country out there. Now also it's unbreakable. They have a really great VPN security with a strict no logs policy and tons of customizable privacy features. And you can also access to a bunch of different devices with 0 restrictions and unlimited content. So here's just some of the things why you should choose private internet access VPN. Strict no logs policy, so they don't record traffic or store any browsing data from you as a user. They are 100% open source, so our software is completely open source, making us one of the most secure and transparent VPN services available. They have easy configuration, so anyone can go there and install the private internet access. They have built-in ad blocking, so they will actually block ads and trackers and malicious websites for a safer experience. 24/7 customer support, just like any VPN, and advanced features which you can obviously use. You have kill switch, split tunneling, torrenting support, and stuff like that. Now, obviously, this VPN is by far the best VPN I tried because it is cheap, it's secure, and they also have great support. So these three are basically making this one of the best VPNs that I tried because it's cheap, right? It's a cheap VPN, but it's still a good VPN to use. Also, as you can see right here is the score from the top10vpn.com. They gave this VPN a score of 9.3. I would give it even higher because, as you can see, it works with computers, tablets, home office routers, smartphones, smart devices. It works with major platforms, ideal for secure downloads, high speed, no logs, and 30-day risk-free refund period. So if I want to recommend one VPN, this would be one, and another one would be probably ExpressVPN, but that is for another video. Hopefully this gives you an insight on if PIA VPN or private internet access VPN is any good for you or not. And yeah, leave a like down below, subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this, and we'll see you in the next video.